Hi, I'm Jenna. Wherever you are right now, whatever is happening, you've found your way here. This is your emergency reset. A few minutes to step out of the storm and into stillness. You don't need to fix anything. You just need to be here. Find any position where your body can rest, lying down if you can, or seated, or even standing still. Let your eyes close or soften your gaze downward. You are safe enough for these next few minutes. Before we begin, plant a single seed of intention, a short, simple phrase. You might use this one. I am already whole. Repeat your intention silently 3 times. Now let your awareness move quickly through the body. No need to linger. Just touch each place and move on. Your whole face, forehead, eyes, jaw releasing. Throat and neck, both shoulders dropping, both arms, hands, all 10 fingers, chest softening, belly easy, lower back, hips, letting go. Both legs heavy and warm. Both feet, all 10 toes. Your whole body now, one complete shape. Breathing. Here. Begin your return now. Bring your intention back to mind once more. Repeat it silently. Feel the edges of your body again. The surface beneath you, the air on your skin. Let your breath deepen just slightly. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. If you need to, roll gently to one side, or simply remain still. Thank yourself for stopping, for choosing to reset. You have touched stillness. It is always here. Thank you for joining me. When you're ready, open your eyes and return to your day. Carry this calm with you. Feel free to stay here for another minute or return to your day. Namaste.